continue to the line chart and the scatter chart. Hopefully we can finish these two within one video. Before we go to that, you may remember on last video I tried to add our number 4 to see whether we can add our data table below the chart. But unfortunately, what I found out, I made some Google and chatting there's some discussion on the Stack Overflow. Some people gave the answer is at least till the 2021, there's no the supporting API within Python PBTX to support data table. And these are within the project for Python PBTX, there's our issue request here, and is mentioned is some work we can try to do to add or something, but this I'm putting this one to the mind map, so that is if you have interest, you can try to make some discussions. So add data table. So that here is some discussions within the project. So that is additional information. So let's don't put too much time on this. So and I hope you can take some investigation from yourself. And back to our the practice, this video is starting to do this line chart. So that is the type is Excel chart type with the dot line. So we can do this testing together. So 882 line chart .py. And then this we have something we can copy from the previously one. So this first, all of those we can copy, but possible we should adjust some the library. So there is a category chart table data we need to keep, and this chart type is a need, and we don't need this tick this point, but we need our the Excel line legend. So let's put this legend position. And we load the CM. So let's see where we use pound. There's no parse use pound, so just load the CM. And then this we have the ppt.save is 882.pptx. So we need to initial ppt equal to presentation. Then where are we? So let's run. So it should create our file here. So in our folder. Let's close this and close others. Then let's starting to do this the chart data input. So this is the line chart. It's just one line with our with the numbers of the point, and if you keep adding lines, you will get the multiple line. So let's put starting to define your chart data. So first line should be the category chart data without any the contents. Then we start to make the categories content. So dot category. So you can choose from here and equal to here is a list. So within this we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And then the chart data dot add series. So we have this the digital entertainment, just the digital, and whole is a tuple. So yeah, I think it's this one. We should be able to copy from here. So add series, you can see just the difference is now we have 3. So it's from here. Oh, we cannot load directly. So because now it's in the vertical line. So 36, 21, 59, 24. But we can have this 3, and then this one is the live, and this one is the study. After that, we have all the data, so we can initial our slide, ppt dot slides dot add slide is ppt dot slide layouts is a 6. And similarly, so we need to put those variables. XY is the position, the corner, cm3. And then the width is equal to cm20. Height is equal to cm10. So you cannot use this. You can use this semicolon. So then you can put that into one line. And then we have our graph. Oh, before that is let's have a run. So if there's no arrow, we can continue. Graphic. Make this graphic is a slide shapes. Add chart. So we have this. So Excel chart type now is a line. So that is 1, X, Y. I suggest you use this way so that you can very easy to see the different variables. So last is the chart data. So let's create this. So let me just have a look for what's that now in our file 82. Here our line is already coming, and by default is the legend is here. So that is the basic line chart. And now let's see. So we will have our chart. So chart is graphic frame dot chart. So we load this chart, then starting to make the style. So as legend equal to true. So let's run now. So this doesn't change because legend I think is already there. So we will put this legend to top. So by default, it's not like the bar chart. The legend here is the true default. Position equal to Excel, so we should legend position to top. So run, and let's see. So now this 3 legend is coming to top. It's not so complicated. You don't have the border for the legend. So chart same as the bar chart is we will make our the include in our chart is not overlapping in the backend of legend. So false for that. Then the chart will be compressed, make that middle, the below. So that is not in the inside altogether is the legend. So that is not so difficult to the bar chart. Just you need to one by one to define the different the variables and then the load chart from the graphic frames as the variable and then use that to assign the different properties. So that is quite the clear the steps. So let's quickly go to this scatter the chart. So let's see here. Let's create 883 scatter chart. So let's see what we will copy. So first, this we copy to the type. Let's also have the CM copied, and we don't need this legend. So we'll have this one, and then we will load our PPT equal to presentation and the PPT save. It's 883.ptx. And let's starting to have that. First is chart data equal to this is XY chart data, not this category. So if you come to here, this is the category chart data. For this XY scatter is the XY chart data. So let's see the chart type. So here is not this one, so we need to load the different data part because different chart they need a different style of the chart the data input. So let's see our file is here. Let me delete. And then let's continue. So we need to prepare the different the series. Series one is chart. So we need to define X and Y. So chart data dot add series. So series one. And we have let's continue do this and do the duplicate for 2. So series 1 dot add data point 0.7 to 0.7. So let's copy this. So just the 2. So 1.8, 3.2. 2.6, 0.8, and then we duplicate this to our series. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and this is the 2, and we have a different data 1.7, 3. Now we have our data prepared. Let's see. So it's no error. So now we apply our slide. So slide is ppt dot slides and slide. So ppt dot slide layouts. Use the 6 still. So let's run. So no error. And continue. So X equal to Y equal to CM3. Let's copy those here. This one. And then we will have our slide shape, add the chart. So first is Excel type. Now this is the XY scatter. So that is 1 X, Y, weights, height, and the chart data. You can see here is the rest of the 5 are always the same, but just the first one is you need to define the correct type based on your data series. So now it's XY, so Y. So I think I have wrong. So where is this Y? Which line? So chart data labels. Name. So I don't have the Y, line 1. Not this one. So let me save again. Oh, so I think it's that's again you depend on this due to you it's not fully saved. So now you can see here. So let's verify from this. So we have these 3 the parts, and we have the default legend, and we have this X and Y. So those are the correct for this the scatter, and then this what we will try to do more is like this way. So we will add some this XY. So let's see. So what's the difference? So this data. What are the putting this the earlier sample, change that into the scatter. So let's see. So what we have done for that scale category. So let's save that to another one. So let's okay. Let me save here to 1. I got another. And then what we will change is we will use our earlier data. So all those are XY. So load is correct, and until here is okay. Just we are changing here. So this is we have our list is sales info equal to list. So one list is every list we have this kind of like a dictionary. So category digital sales. If you're familiar with JSON, so this quite similar to those, and we have those 3.6. Okay, that's the first, and the second is the live. Okay. So I suggest this you make the more formatted way to input your data, so that it will be easier for you to find if there's any errors. But that's it based on your own preference. This is my recommendation. Okay, and the last is for study. It's a volume, so need to keep those the same. And then 10, 3.1, 9.8, 3.2. Then we have all those, and we are starting. Before we load the slide, we need to make the info the traverse. So for info in sales info. Let's do this looping. So series equal to chart data, add the series. So we add the series based on those dictionary one by one. So info get category. So that is load the category. And for quarter volume, enumerate info.get. Oh, so that is a cell, not a sales. So let's put cell volume like the sample. Actually, it's the sales volume is also fine. So sales cell volume. For this, then what we will do is here. So we will have a series dot add data point. So that's not the add series, it's add data point. So quarter plus 1 volume number format equal to 0 quarter. Let's use this earlier. So quarter in English. So quarter what? So that is our series for those. Let's see. So we have our slide number 6 and all those chart, and with this. So let's run. So we should get our data. So what's the arrow? Enumerate. This one. In enumerate, non-type is not iterable. So enumerate is infer get cell volume. So this is cell volume. Oh, so I have a 2 underscore. So still, so well, volume should be E. Let's see. So whether this is a saved issue. So cell volume. So I have this type name is not as identical. So now I have, let's see, our file, this one. We should have the base. So we have these 3 scattered. So now it's in this line. Then what we will do is now we can add some format. So from here, so you can see, so access equal to chart category access. Yeah, so this we load to chart. Chart equal to chart, add chart, and this one. So I think the way is it's not dot chart. It's the not. Let's see. Just add this. We have the arrow. So chart Excel. So this chart is not correct. So you can see here, if we pass through this tool, so if we want to do that, is we should have this one. So we don't define this. So chart is this one. So we use the chart. Then that should be the chart dot chart. So Let's try to see. So we need to first make this chart equal to chart.chart. So we didn't put this is the chart frame. Let's define, and this is the chart frame. Then from here is we can identify this object. So here is some issues. Let's see from the effect result. So now I have this Excel. So you need to use this way. So you can put this frame defined for your add chart object. Then you can use this dot chart property and start to use this one to send the styles. Then it's not just the XLX. So let's set the text. Quarter, and then Y equal to chart dot, this is a value access, and Y access as title is equal to true, TITLE, true, and then we have the text. So we copy this one and change that to Y. Y is Excel title, and here is the sales volume. And then we will have this chart has legend. It's already have legend, so true. So let's run this. So we finally got XY axis the volume. So sales volume quarter legend is here. So legend by default is true. So this one is by default is true already. So pay attention to this a little varies. So chart equal to dot chart. This one is not get this expected result. But let's continue use this standard way. So you can put your chart frame. So if we say it's a graphic frame, that's no difference. It's just our variable name. So I hope it's till now is you can have some idea on these two additional the type line chart and scatter chart. Next video we finish this pie chart, and we will do the placeholder chart discussion. Then we complete this chart in PowerPoint. See you then.